Since time immemorial, people have taken the elements and shaped them to their needs. We apply principles of production that have been tried and proven over thousands of years. Using chipless metal forming, we produce complex components with high cost efficiency and ultimate precision. We make customized, rotationally symmetrical components with no wastage of materials, and therefore extremely cost-effectively and with maximum sustainability. Our success is based on this principle, on our decades of experience, on the use of ultra-modern processes, on the unparalleled skills of our employees, and above all, on continuous empirical research. At our Research and Development Center, we test again and again to the farthest limits of what is currently possible, and use the skills and knowledge of our most experienced employees to train the experts of tomorrow. We together set ever new standards for the future of metal forming. Our sensitive and caring respect for our environment, and our awareness and constant urge to further development and refinement make the definitive contribution to our success. And while we're on the subject of the future, we accept responsibility for our environment and therefore generate our own electricity on a major scale, offer insects a safe home on our site, and have drastically reduced our use of fresh water by means of a highly efficient recirculating cooling system. The future is coming, and we're looking forward to it with the greatest confidence.